Why hire a family law attorney to handle your Kentucky case? Family law cases can deeply impact your life, and handling them alone can have severe consequences. Without professional guidance, you risk not only losing your case, but also damaging your financial stability, emotional health, and family relationships. Protecting your future. An experienced attorney helps you navigate complicated legal procedures, ensuring your rights and interests are protected. Local expertise. We understand Kentucky's family law system and the local court processes, which can be critical to achieving your desired outcomes. Alleviating stress. We will manage your case from start to finish, so you can focus on what matters most, your family and well-being. Looking for a family law attorney in Kentucky? Attorney Tim Hendrix can guide you through this difficult time. Schedule a case evaluation at www.timhendrixlaw.com.